Good evening, everyone. This video is based on explaining the concepts on how to balance the chemical equation for the process of photosynthesis. So now we will just have to write down the chemical formula of the process as a whole. So now here is the full chemical formula of the process, but this formula now is unbalanced, so it needs to undergo the balancing of the equation in order to follow the laws of conservation of mass. Now we can see that carbon dioxide it is reacting with water in order to yield the glucose and to release oxygen. So now we're going to start by balancing the chemical equations. We will firstly start to use the CHO method, which I learned from high school. Now the CH method starts by first like balancing the carbons, then balancing the hydrogen after, then completing to then end up completing the oxygens at last. But firstly, we need to start by balancing the carbons on the left hand side and on the right hand side of the equation. So now we have to check how many carbons are in the left hand side and how many carbons are in the right hand side. So we can see there is only one carbon on the left hand side and there are only 6 carbons on the right hand side. So we just have to write 6 here because there's only one, meaning now we're already having 6 carbon atoms. On the right hand side we're having also 6 carbon atoms. Now we have to balance the hydrogens. Now the hydrogens are 2 on this side and inside are 12, so we just have to find that factor whereby we'll multiply by 2 and give us the factor 12. So we just have to write 6 here. Already we're having 12 hydrogen atoms on this side and we are having 12 hydrogen atoms on the right hand side. Now we have to balance the oxygens. In the oxygen this side we can see that okay, 6 already give us 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. So in this left hand side you only have 18 oxygen atoms. On this side you only have 8. So we need to find that factor whereby we multiply by 2, then add it by 6, then it ends up giving us 18. So we can see now, okay, we just have to add by 6 again in order for us to have 12, then replace it by 6. Then overall we're having 18 oxygen molecules on both sides of the equations. Thank you.